Now, a question that I'm finally ready to answer.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, after 1 year and a few months, I'm back. So this is gonna be a video where I tell you where was I, what was I doing, and trust me, we don't have anything extraordinary in store for you, but I definitely wanted to come back here because again, I loved creating whatever content I created. तब पढ़ाई चल रही थी तो उससे रिलेटेड था. Life has changed. I'm here back again, wanting to create more. I was definitely embarrassed and I couldn't come back earlier. I thought एक नया चैनल बनाऊंगी मैं, उस पर वीडियो डलेगी. There was only one reason. I thought when I'll come back here and I'll tell you what was going on, and a lot of people would be like, देखा वो तब जो तुमने 2-6 वीडियो बनाए थे उसी की वजह से पेपर नहीं निकला. नहीं, पेपर नहीं निकला क्योंकि पढ़ाई की साइकिल पूरी नहीं हुई. रीज़न जो भी हो, साइकिल नीड्स टू बी कम्प्लीटेड. और पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, सिलेबस कर रहे हो, एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हो, एक पैटर्न प्रोसेस होता है. अगर आपने वो नहीं किया तो एग्ज़ाम निकलना मुश्किल हो जाता है, राइट? एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंड. So we'll not stretch on that topic a lot because you already have a 26 minutes video that I've told you about कि ऐसे हुआ वैसे हुआ. But obviously we'll start with the first questions, the questions that I would want to answer, or if I'm somebody who ever watched my video would want to know. कैट तो नहीं निकला, ठीक है दीदी. जैक निकला? नहीं, नो, जैक भी नहीं निकला, स्नैप भी नहीं निकला. एंड उसके अलावा मैंने कोई एग्ज़ाम्स नहीं दिए थे, तो नथिंग रियली हैपेंड. आफ्टर आई गिव माई जैट आई गॉट टू नो कि नहीं निकलने वाला है ये. सो आई डिडंट वेट लाइक फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ डेज और अ मंथ और समथिंग. आई जस्ट बुक्ड माई टिकट्स एंड केम टू दिल्ली एनसीआर, और स्पेसिफिकली बोलूँ तो गुरुग्राम. बट क्यों? Oh hi, yes, we were. Why? Why Delhi NCR? Why Gurgaon? So obviously didn't have a college. अगर मैं अप्लाई करती तो tier 2, tier 3 colleges मिलते, which I was not up for, right? And for the right reasons I believe. Then I thought I need to get a job. 1.5 साल का career gap, जो ultimately will be becoming 2 years of career gap, is not good, right? It's not really good. And I thought अब जो भी करना है एक नौकरी के साथ करना है. Earlier I had done internships in marketing, and मैंने काफ़ी सोचा, राइट? एंड देन आई डिसाइडेड नहीं भाई, मार्केटिंग नहीं करनी है मुझे. ओके, नथिंग अगेंस्ट मार्केटिंग, बट दैट वाज नॉट समथिंग दैट आई वाज अप फॉर. मुझे नहीं लगा कि अगर मुझे सीखना है तो मैं मेहनत कर पाऊंगी या मेरा मन है उसमें. ठीक है, सो आई थॉट व्हाट कैन आई डू. एंड येस, आई सॉ फ्रॉम अ पर्सपेक्टिव कि अगर क्या मैं ये फ्यूचर में कंटिन्यू करना चाहूँ अलॉन्ग विद MBA या इवन आफ्टर MBA, विल दैट वर्क. और अगर आफ्टर MBA मैं चेंज भी करती हूँ, what is it that is going to work and justify these years of full-time work experience? I came across human resources. And no, not Rangoli, human proper resources. And there are so many good colleges like XLRI and obviously other more tests जो human resources में MBA करवाते हैं. So if they're charging, not test definitely, but if XLRI और कोई और भी college अगर human resources के लिए hefty amount charge कर रहा है, मैंने सोचा कुछ तो होगा यार सीखने को और कुछ अच्छा होगा. Then obviously I came to Gurugram. I got an interview, a walk-in, at a very small company. All the right reasons, cannot tell you the company or XYZ. But I came in for the interview. मैंने interview दिया. I'm so glad with 0 experiences. I got selected for an internship. Yes, वो internship जो मैंने college में करी थी. I again got one. But again, if you're starting from scratch, you definitely have to. I got an internship that was paying a very decent sum, like इतना जिससे survival तो नहीं possible था, but it was a start. Joined. It was an internship for 3 months. I did everything that I could to learn, and yes, not lying, I learned so much. And by so much I mean the team was small, the company was smaller, so काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को था. कोई भी ऐसा हायरार्की से strict नहीं थी कि तुम ये नहीं सीख सकते हो या तुम इनके साथ नहीं बैठ सकते हो. So it was so good to actually sit with people of a higher designation and to understand everything. उन्होंने मेरा internship extend भी किया for a month because they wanted me to learn something known as stakeholder management. Because obviously when you are an intern आपको इतना exposure नहीं मिलता. But they wanted to keep me full time, so they wanted me to have that exposure. After one more extended month, I got a job. Okay, so as a normal fresher, जो salary आप expect करते हो after BBA, that's exactly what I got. nothing extraordinary, nothing out of the blue. And living in Gurugram, Gurugram is expensive, but it was decent enough for me to start, decent enough for me to have a space of my own to live, and maybe in the future when I'm giving MBA exams to pay for all the expenses, because MBA is expensive. Come on, from forms to if you're taking a coaching, if anything you're doing, it's very expensive. And my family has been super supportive, and I wanted to do this with the money that I was earning. So yes, it's been 7 months since I am a human resources business partner. वैसे तो हम HRBP बोलते हैं, but yeah, HRBP I believe is a designation for people with more experience. But I'm glad at least I'm working, और मैं अपने आप को HR operations executive बोलती हूँ. But along with operations, I'm actually being included in so many things, and I'm so grateful for. And I want to stay, at this company. I want to continue working here. जब मेरे 2 साल पूरे हो जाएं, and ultimately I do want to do an MBA. So that's exactly what I was doing for all this time that I was Gayab. No content, I made nothing yet. I really made nothing. I went on a trip to Nainital. I have a video, maybe I'll post it after this. But yes, did nothing. Just did my full-time job. Just was getting to understand कि अच्छा ठीक है ऐसे होता है, 9 to 5 ऐसे होता है. And it was very hectic because बहुत कुछ सीखना था. But I was very adamant कि मुझे तो सीखना है, मुझे तो जॉब चाहिए, मुझे तो कंटिन्यू करना है. And now this year, this new year is begin. Without any excuses, I want to give the MBA because I want to give it this year. I want to go to a college. I want to finish my MBA, from 27 to 29, and then yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna start preparing. Haven't yet properly started preparing, but I'm still in the dilemma of what exams to give. इस बार मुझे ये नहीं करना कि सब कुछ देना है. I really want to know what exams are gonna be suited for me. What exams what preparations do I need to do. I'm gonna do it strategically. एग्जाम को एग्जाम की तरह लूँगी मैं, ना कि समथिंग ना जहाँ पे फुल्ली लाइफ डिपेंड हो रही है, 12-24 घंटे एक दूसरे में मिक्स हो जा रहे हैं. आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट वर्कड आउट फॉर मी, राइट? And nobody is to blame here, but I know there were some things that I didn't follow, and that is why it fell apart. So nothing to teach here, because obviously I'm a student. I'm a learning, I'm a person who's learning, right? But definitely we'll try again and study. There'll be such good update. I'll keep updating, but I'll keep the study part here lesser unless I really have something to tell you that's gonna benefit you. ठीक है? And I'm gonna be back here. I don't know, creating content. जो भी मुझे सीखने मिल रहा है काम में, पढ़ाई में, लाइफ में. I want to really explore. थोड़ा बहुत मुझे अपना दिमाग का horizon बढ़ाने के लिए I enjoy the idea of content creation. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया है. It gives me an opportunity to learn, maybe like designing करना, scripting करना, बात करना, video record करना. It's so much fun, and I'm gonna do it, irrespective of कि कोई क्या सोचता है. That's my biggest fear. I am a people pleaser by nature, so I believe this year I'm gonna drop that. And मुझे पता है 10 अच्छे comment और एक खराब comment, and but I'll try. I don't do that. So yep, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, if you are watching, and if you have any other questions, just let me know. I will try to answer them in the comments. And if if there's another video and I feel like these are good questions, I believe I have an answer to, I'll definitely answer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Maybe it's not a talking video and it's a fun video. I don't know what is it gonna be about, but it's definitely gonna be a fun video. So thank you. Bye bye.